Ready?
Hi, I'm Al, and it's a serious craftsman. It just got fixed by the garage company because the screen broke on it, and some new wheels put on it, and it's kind of nice to have this craftsman. And oil is for opens and subs, and two shots 3 horsepower. That's the one garage opener and stuff, and it shows how to open the shut the garage. Then and the garage had new wheels put on it because the new wheels the oil got broken one day in the Colorado, and then it's kind of quiet going down. It's a chain goes up and down, quiet, and two guards and put is guards new wheels in, and the chain got greased, and then we show you how it shuts and stuff. Okay, I'll put spark in, okay?
Wait, we want to show them how it shuts from out here, because then it gets too dark if we're in there. Open it.
There's the cameras, safety beam, and they help you if you get stuck. You put your feet in a safe camera, and then that's it. So thank you to watch a show about this craftsman, and we are going in the house now. So have a good Thanksgiving. That's Uncle Pa's garage. Goodbye. Okay.